Hello, LT360 Nation. It's Coach Ken here, and I'm here to celebrate Len Gordon. Len has been with us since when, Len? Has it been
May of
17?
Yeah, 17.
May of 2017, and here we are. So you're right beyond your 2-year anniversary.
Yeah.
LT360, and Len has done fabulous. He is really, just give us a little overview where you are now, and then I'd kind of talk about your history before that if we don't get to that. But where things are with you right now, how you feeling, what you're doing. Your LT360 lifestyle.
So I guess the thing that's really changed for me is I continue to be real active, and so I was walking almost 2 hours every morning, and now I'm in a process of trying to do some weight training along with that. But I'm really conscious about my exercise program and my physical activity and maintaining that, and that is definitely helped me maintain my weight and get my other processes working the way they should be. I feel a lot healthier.
Yeah, because when you started, I would say it took you about 6 months up to 9 months to get to where you wanted to be.
Yeah, definitely.
And so really at the start of 2018, you were kind of where you wanted to be. And so you really have shown that, again, you created the lifestyle. And here we are even a year and a half later than that, almost, where your maintenance level, and you're just kind of learning how, you really are kind of your own health and wellness expert, it seems like right now.
Yeah, I've kind of, taken on that role for myself to learn as much as I can. I've read some books and, look online as well as, using the LT360 program to really improve my health. I've had type 2 diabetes, and I've had a lot of blood pressure issues, and really my health has really improved. My doctors cut me back on almost all of my diabetic medicine.
Wow,
He still maintain a little bit of metformin, but that's it. And then as well as my blood pressure and stuff is totally under control. I still take some medication, but other than that, I feel like I'm where I used to be before I gained all that weight in my middle years of my life.
Len is just a great example of what we really want to see everybody do. Get to where they want to be, 6 months, 9 months, a year, whatever it takes, and then when you get there, stay there. And overall, Len is basically kind of hangs in that area of overall fat loss of 75 to 80 pounds. That's where he's hanging. His body fat's always in the upper teens, usually very consistent. Hydration's up, muscles up. It's just been a great job. So congratulations, Len. We're here to celebrate him and his success and just recapturing, regaining your health. So
thanks.
We want you to keep on, keep it on. Which I'm very confident that Len at this point knows exactly where he wants to be. So if you want us to help you create the same kind of health story, then give us a call, 615-815-0390. That's 615-815-0390. Visit our website at www.lt360.com and review Len's video as well as the others that you can just show that, again, the idea is that if we can do it, because I'm kind of, I'm in the same kind of area, place that Len is and has been, then we feel that you can do it as well. So keep it going, Len, and we celebrate you today. Congratulations to you.
Thanks.